What's up, gang, man? So I'm back with a banger. I got a little toy right here. We came to Walmart earlier. Well, I already owed Memory a surprise because she cleaned her room. I told her I'd get a surprise if she cleaned her room. Oh, Jesus Lord, I need a retwist. I told her she'd get a surprise, so she picked this surprise out. Shit, I really didn't know what the hell it was at first, but once we got to the house, her mama started opening it, and I don't know, it just hit me like, damn, I seen these things on TikTok. So I had to go get another one so that they can do it together type shit, so we can make a video, because these things is really cool, y'all. I don't even know how to really explain it. I'm pretty sure her mama can explain it to y'all more, but I had to get another one, y'all. I had to. And I hope I got a different one than the one that we already got. I tried to read the names, but the first one we got, I didn't look at the box to know the name. So hopefully I get the same one and we got two different ones. So y'all can see how cool this shit is. I thought it was the one where it flies up and shit, but no, it's not that one. It's something different. It's like a Hatchimal. I don't know. I'll show y'all more when we get to the house. Open it up and shit. But I don't know, this little thing pretty cool. I want to find the one where it flies up. If you know what I'm talking about, comment down below, cause I gotta find that one. I just don't know what it's called, but it like flies up, does all types of crazy shit. This one talking about it you can teach you how to talk and shit. So she's gonna have two of them. She can teach you how to talk. She already got the damn guinea pig. I mean, this kid should never be bored, but or no, should be asking for something else. Y'all stay tuned, stay lit. I'm finna get back to the house real quick and get to it. Yeah, because I thought it was so cool, so I had to get you two of them. So now they do have a friend.
Oh, could another one sad? I'm missing one more friend.
Yeah. Here's the other one, y'all. That's the first one we got, and then that's the one I just went and got.
Open that one just like that one is staying.
We gotta wait for your mama to get out, and when your mama gets out, we'll open them up. How about that? Yeah, so we finna have fun with these little things. I'm gonna get some more light in here so you can see it. Hold on, I'm gonna come back to y'all. All right, gang. This is what it is. I hope I did not get the same one. You can see this. As soon as Sherry go get out the shower, we're gonna open them up and show y'all what the hell these things do. All right, gang. You won't ever guess what I just went and did. I had to go see if we got two different kinds, and we did. So we got a Puffco, I think, and a Dragondale, whatever the hell. But hold on, y'all. Sure, go call me. Hold on, quick. My bad, y'all was rudely interrupted by somebody. But I just had to dig in the trash can to go see if I got a different one. Hold on. Wait till your mom put some clothes on.
You don't know if you got a different one.
Yeah, I did. I just want to dig in the trash can to see. Cause look, this one's like a Dragondale or whatever, however you say that. And this one is like a Puffco. Look. Hold on.
Oh, Puffy Corn and Draggle.
Yeah. I told you I should be able to explain it more better for y'all because I don't really know, but yeah.
All right. It says quick start guide. First, we got to remove the key locks from the packaging. So that's at the bottom here.
Oh, that's those?
Yeah, you got to unlock them.
Oh, I know. I got a key too.
Okay, y'all hold on.
Okay, inside.
You won't use that key to unlock. You just got to twist them.
Oh shit.
No, babe. You got to twist it like this. See, look. Oh, we started.
Okay, hold on. Because her face just lifted up. Alright, do it again.
How hard? Do you want to help me twist it?
Mm-hmm.
Because you don't use this key just yet. You got it right here. Take it, hold it, and
Ow.
twist it. There you go. Alright, now you just close.
Okay, do this one. We got one done.
Why do I want not moving?
It's not yet. You gotta put the other key in there.
What's that? Did you see that? That's crazy. What's going on here?
I can't see mine.
Yours is right here. Have you ever had an impatient kid? Leave mine. Leave mine. I'm gonna put your key right there. Okay, look. I'm gonna read the instruction. Wait. Let's say place egg on a hard flat surface and insert hatchlings to wake me up. Tip: listen for my heartbeat. Come on, guys, get closer.
I say you big and bad. You don't need no stand.
I'm gonna put the slime now.
Yep, put it in there.
Oh yes,
I see it.
it's gonna get the rocking, I think. So you might. Well, we can do one on one.
Mama.
Wait. What? All right. It says, "Love me to life by cuddling, tapping, lifting, rocking." Music means I'm almost about to hatch. So rub it. Rub it. Do this. Rub it.
Now what we do wrong with this one? There she goes. Oh shoot,
It
y'all.
says step 3, repeat step 2 until egg glows rainbow. Gather your family and friends. Mist will appear when I start hatching. You don't have to have it in there. It's okay. You already locked her heart.
Yours was just over there chilling until you started rubbing it.
Wake up, wake up.
I see we had to hear music, huh?
It makes its own music when you tap it. You hear it repeating? You hear it? That's me tapping.
Wakey, wakey.
Wakey, wakey.
Wakey, wakey.
Keep touching it, remember? Bruh. When the music comes, y'all stop touching them. Y'all let them go back to sleep. Twins.
It keeps going around in a circle. See?
I'm holding like that.
No, yours is about to crack. Put them, yeah, they about to crack now. That's the rainbow right there. Look at that smoke.
My cracks.
You cracked?
Mom, it's cracking. I have a crack
Huh? No, just let it crack.
on my pink.
Let it open itself.
see it.
Just let it finish cracking.
I just want to open it.
You just want to open it. You're just so ready.
That's a little bit.
This shit, y'all. That shit crazy. I wonder how they made these.
Whoever did, about to make some money.
I seen the top come off for this one. Look, Mimir. Mimir, look right here. Look at this one. Oh, you just worried about yours.
I might open that.
Look at that one is opening up.
Am I opening the top?
Look, Mimir.
I know. Look, I see eyes.
I think y'all can take y'all's tops off now.
You hear him? Who's singing his back there?
Take your top off. Take your top off, Mimir.
Huh?
Oh, that's so neat.
I want them to take it out.
I think you cracked the rest of the egg. Crack the rest of the egg, Mimir.
Oh, you have to.
I know. So I'm telling y'all that.
Look at mine. I need to build. What's this?
Try not to get it on the ground, Mimir. Try to keep it all on the table.
I'm all like egg off.
That's cool as hell.
Unicorn. Mom, I got a unicorn.
Oh, it dances and shit.
It talks.
Yeah,
You can teach it how to talk.
Talk, dance, and something else.
I need help. I need help.
Your mama gonna help you.
Thanks, Mama. Your best. I need help.
You know what it remind me of? Them damn things we used to have, them little big ass eyes. I can't remember what it's called though. I wonder how do you teach it how to talk?
Mommy, you have open minds. Mommy, mine's got wings too. Okay. Mommy got that. Mommy got a dragon. And I got a girl because Mommy got a boy.
Hello. Hello. How are you doing?
Hello. Hi. Dun, dun.
So when the camera, so your camera shot. When the camera on it, I want to dance.
Yeah. hungry.
It talks, y'all. It talks, dance, does all types of shit.
Daddy, trying to cook.
She talking about she taking this to work.
Hi, Dada.
Look at this.
Look at this thing. Oh.
I'm hungry.
And this says this thing.
Y'all should go get Kai one. Show your dad. Y'all should let them do that from Easter. Look, show this camera.
Sorry. it's action.
All right, so let's just go ahead and have it. Pink, not purple.
I don't even think, was we arguing about it on the camera?
Oh,
I don't know if he was. But listen, we had a disagreement
purple.
because I thought this was whatever color.
Purple.
And they was the colors that I said. It was just, we didn't got them to talk and everything. We didn't figure it out.
I'm taking
You
mine
turn
to
the
work.
song on?
Can I turn a song on? You and this chocolate. You got your two surprises right here, and Lord knows.
And that's dark chocolate, y'all.
She always picking out dark chocolate too, y'all. I don't understand it. Can you say hi to YouTube? You want to see you on the TV?
Huh?
You on the TV today. I posted a video of you on the TV.
On TV.
You're gonna be famous, girl.
I want to do video.
Wanna
Okay.
watch the video?
We're going to turn
Put
it
you
on.
in it?
Yeah, these little things are cool. You did a good pick. Good job.
I pick a boy, and I pick a girl. Mommy pick a boy because Mommy likes boys, and I pick a girl because I like girls. Because
Okay.
you're a girl, and you're a girl, and I'm a girl.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Did you have a good day at school? You did?
I eat all my food.
You ate all your food?
Just the crackers, animal crackers, and the peanut butter crackers.
Okay. Is your room clean? Okay.
You actually thought about that.
You gonna check? Oh, shoot.
Yeah, this clean.
It's clean. All
Are you
right.
gonna show them what you got in there?
What? A bill?
You're gonna show them who's in there with you. Who stays in the room with you now?
Tell them they know. We got a whole video for them, huh? But we can go give them an update. You want to give them an update on your guinea pig on Thelma? Come on.
Demo?
Yeah.
Where's Demo? Oh, my God. Hi, Stinky Bitty Butt.
Here's a little update. Y'all sure can. Remember, keep taking her hiding spots out. Watch this show. As soon as you put it in there, she'll be happy. I guess she's gonna have a little camera shot
Another
too.
one. You turn the
Thelma.
video on?
Usually she'll run from me, but I guess she's chilling today. What?
I'm gonna grab a scissors for you.
Girl, why do you got them scissors?
My mommy.